I've just been chilling editing. Fancy. Guys, we could have gone on a tuk-tuk to Chinatown. Holy hell, I imagine these are the grapes that the kings ate back in the day.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I got it this morning.
How's that?
I have got the funniest massage story to tell you guys. We're in a mother freaking tuk-tuk! Morning guys, it is the day of. We are flying out and we are about 16 minutes away from the airport. We caught the morning rush, which I was trying really hard not to do. Guys, this is like so bright. I'm so sorry. I was trying really not to do, but I wanted to give Aussie a sleep in, like a couple hours sleep in, because he's been so exhausted working all week and weekend. Which was obviously the wrong thing to do. Don't let them sleep in, obviously.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Georgie Boy over here.
Georgie's Pizza.
No, Georgie's Pizza. No. This is Georgie's Boy. So, yeah, it's time for a getaway, yeah, you know. And now the day is finally come. So enjoy the moment and relax and enjoy it.
Yes, so we are missing both Seloa and Bear. Yeah, so we had extra cuddles with Bear this morning. Because he has no idea, like at least Law knows, but he's just not going to see us for like 10 days and wonder every day where we are. But it's only 10 days. And when we're back, he's going to be annoying us all over again. So we are waiting to board our flight now. Aussie's being a fatabus. He's had sushi. You can't see, it's dark. And then he's got his bacon and egg roll here. He's eating tuna and avo sushi. I'm not feeling too hungry this morning. I'll probably just eat on the plane. So I have some snacks from home, which I brought. Some apples, mandarin. I got some rice crackers. But I'm really tired. I slept like 2 hours in the car. And that's all the sleep I got last night. So I'm really tired. I cannot wait to get onto the plane and just conk out. Sawadee ka.
Sawadee ka.
We've just checked into our hotel not long ago. We're about to go for a walk. It's in my pocket. And I got a Wise card, so I'm going to test out cashing out money. I haven't traveled in a long time, so I totally forget how I used to do it before. I think I just use my normal card. But I'm going to test out my Wise card today. So how are you liking Thailand so far?
I don't know, because we just arrived today. We just checked in our hotel.
It's freaking hot, isn't it?
And it's too late now.
We're on level 21. That took a long time to come down. So it's currently 7:30 and it's pretty busy.
Yeah, it's pretty busy. We're going to the mall now. Still open here. So amazing, crazy. Let's go with the flow.
Oh. This is the food market. Guava. What's this one? What's that one? Grape?
Yes.
Grapes. Oh, so big. We came to get some cash out, which we have, but because we're starving and it's our first night here, we don't want to risk it too much. We might swing back at the markets and get some fruit. Fancy.
You. Good.
Work. How nice that is.
Oh, amazing.
Thank you. That's so nice. Morning guys. I wanted to do a haul of some of the things that I got from the, I think it's Tops in the mall downstairs. Pineapple slices. Oh my gosh, it smells so sweet. It better be sweet. I love pineapple. I got these massive grapes. Like, what is the reason why these are so big? Please. I don't even know what kind of grapes they are. Muscat grapes. Holy hell, I imagine these are the grapes that the kings ate back in the day. These big old grapes. It's actually way softer than I thought. It's actually like really soft. Just tastes like a normal grape. Probably a little bit more on the sour side. It's not as sweet as normal grapes. I am still kind of tired. Like, our body clock is all over the place. It's currently 10 a.m. 10:15 in Australia, and it is only 6 something here. I was meant to eat this for dessert last night, but I honestly couldn't stomach it. I was just so full from what we had last night, and it's really hot. Like, you don't even feel like eating here. Maybe I should just live here. Oh, my skin is so smooth. I've been using the Japanese Lululemon, something like that, Lululemon, and wow, my skin's so smooth. This is the one that I've been using. Now, I'm not even gonna hold you. I usually do have good skin, but that hydrates it, and just like, I've got no rough patches. It feels like a newborn baby's bum. Okay, well, I'm gonna try this now. I don't know if I need to heat it up because the rice be hard as heck. I love sticky rice. Big slice of mango. One of the sweetest mangoes I've ever tasted, but it's like not overly sweet. Aussie and I have breakfast actually included in our hotel, so pre-breakfast, I guess. I won't be able to eat that much though. I don't know if I want to risk this. Guys, would you risk this? I got it at 10, almost 10 o'clock at night, which they were closing. I don't want to get a mati mangava while I'm only one day here, so the rice kind of already has it. So good. Now for the star of the show. Whoa. It's just a coconut. Oh my gosh, that is so good. It's just a coconut, but why is it so good? That is a good coconut. Morning guys. I've just been chilling editing that video you just seen of me eating the fruit. It's now 11:30, so 7:30. Aussie's still down at the gym. He's been having a ball down there, sending me videos, and he's in the sauna currently. I wish I went downstairs, but I spent so much time editing and doing that little haul. I tried to make use of as much as I could of the food. Like, I hate wasting food, but we really don't know like what our plan is today. Like, we just basically are winging it today. I'm not sure what's good in Bangkok. We might go for a walk. I really want to get my hair done, possibly even like a keratin treatment. I've been seeing a lot of TikToks and stuff. I just don't know where to go. But yeah, we might go for a walk. Like, I'm in my walking girl era again, and I'm loving it so far here in Thailand. And my first time here, both of our first times here, and it's been awesome. So some much well needed time away.
This is the gym, the hotel gym. And this is the sauna. Wow. On the other side of the gym, they have a swimming pool and pool table.
I just got back and wow, it's so nice. I cannot wait to go downstairs. Utilize the hot rock sauna. I like traditional saunas. I don't like the steam room ones. It just makes me feel weird. It fills up my lungs, and I don't know. I just prefer the traditional hot rock sauna, and they have it downstairs. I cannot wait to get down there. And yeah, I bought moisturizing cream. Look at this traffic, guys. Look at this traffic, bro. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I got this morning down there where the gym is. Man, so good, hey. Have everything like gym, spa, swimming pool, sauna, and then the bathroom is like a massive bathroom as well. So good experience, eh? So nice. I really like it. So tonight I'm gonna go back to the gym, but they have a pool table as well next to the swimming pool. Man, that is so good. I'll show you guys when we go down there tonight. So yeah, it's so nice, it's so amazing. Yeah, and have a good session today. So yeah, so good. So tonight we're gonna go again, and then make sure you stay. Yeah,
I'm gonna put it in the dirty laundry bag.
So yeah, we're gonna go have a breakfast, and we'll see you guys very soon.
Look how nice the interior design in the breakfast area is, guys. Aussie's going hard or going home. I'm quite full from my little fruit haul. Little soup with chicken. Guys, we just got done from our massage, and I feel so like, I feel like I could do like backflips and stuff. Like, I feel so relaxed and so unknotted. I just feel so good. It was actually so nice. I've never had a massage at like an actual retreat kind of place, and it was like the full works. These are the photos of our pre-treat. We got like a little drink, and it was really nice. Then after the massage we got this. We got our feet washed, we got little slippers, like the whole works. It was awesome. And an hour and a half worth of massages, all for $50 Australian. So now we're on our way to the train. No, it doesn't fit. It's alright, I'll hold it. Now we're on our way to the train because we're braving it and wanting to train it to Chinatown. Never been on a train here or even at home. I've never been on the tram at home, but we're gonna try it, and it's super hot. I've had like 3 showers today. Yikes. But it's hot, but it's not like hot.
So slow.
Guys, we could have gone on a tuk-tuk to Chinatown and he just drove off. I have got the funniest massage story to tell you guys. I think I'll keep it to my close friends for now. Who knows, I might even post it on TikTok. You might have even watched it already. But it's so funny. I can't, like, oh my gosh. Just wait for it, wait for it.
20 minutes, 25 minutes. Yeah.
500 baht?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm scared. Guys, we are going on a little tuk-tuk.
How's that?
I'm in a little tuk-tuk. We're in a little tuk-tuk.
Honey.
Oh my god, we're in a freaking tuk-tuk! Guys, we're in a mother freaking tuk-tuk! Johnny!
We're on a tuk-tuk now. Johnny,
I can't get over it! We're almost to our destination and it's actually really warm, but it's not so hot, right? We can handle it.
yeah.
Yeah, we're able to handle it, and oh my gosh, what an experience. What an experience. Do try the tuk-tuk if you have a chance. The tuk-tuk is approved.
Yeah, it's approved. It's good.
No, those probably worse. We just got dropped off. We bought a new, and it's so sweet, so nice. Where should we go then? Hello, shopping for all kinds of different food stalls here. We're in the depths of Chinatown. I don't know what this place is called. There's teddies hanging around. It's quite dangerous. Motorcycles zooming about. Oh, those are such nice clips. And they have really cute Crocs. We've been walking around for like the last hour or so, maybe two. And finally when we had booked our Grab, that's when we found some of the stores that we actually wanted to shop at. It is super hot, but I ain't complaining. And we're just waiting for our Grab car. Look at that, oh my god, I only just noticed that. Holy hecker.
What?
Oh, is this one?
Is that Victoria?
Victoria? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you. Wow, your car is so nice. I filmed on my phone and I totally forgot to show you my corn cob. But I got a corn cob from over there. And I also got my 4th coconut juice for the day. Finished, but I will eat the pulp. Very nutritious. We're here at MVK Shopping Centre and we're on the hunt for some counterfeit. We got some
Very
gifts.
hot combo egg with rice concern.
Ooh. I got the pad thai, kept it safe. I'm not that hungry, guys. All I've been eating is fruit. Not because I'm on any kind of diet, but I genuinely love fruit. Like, it's one of my favorite things. Tropical exotic fruits. I have an obsession with them. And especially coconut pulp. I will be eating that. Also, you got the chicken wings and whatever that is. It's so hard going to malls. Like, you go to a mall, but you can never go through the whole mall because it's so massive. So you don't know what you're like really missing out on. We can't wait to get back to our hotel after this, after we've done a little bit of shopping. We're saving a bit of the shopping. Like, we don't want to go crazy on it. It's only our 2nd day here.
But
So,
take everything then.
well, it's actually our 1st day here if you think about it. We fly out to Phuket tomorrow, so that should be interesting. We're going from Don Mueang Vu Airport, which is a different one, to Samian. I'm so sorry, I should really look up the pronunciations. But the fancy airport, we're not going to fly from. We're flying with Air Asia, which is leaving from Dong Mueang Vu, that airport. Yeah. We're at this store here. Aussie's getting a custom-made hat. Stay tuned to see what he embroidered on it. Pretty cheap, guys. 15 bucks. For the hat, $5 for embroidery. My dad some cashew nuts. This is coconut flavor. I think it's got a little bit of sugar or maybe honey, but it's coconut coated cashew nuts. My dad absolutely loves cashew nuts. He gets packets and packets from Costco. So 350 baht, which is around $20 Australian for this, but for you, Daddy. Guys, we're still here in whatever this is, DBK or whatever it is called, to this mall. We want to go back soon to go for a swim.
Yeah.
But we're contemplating now if we should leave our photo with these people to get drawing for us. Look how nice this is. Oh, isn't that lovely? Wow, that one's amazing. Holy hecker. That one's so cool. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, I just bought those Gongka cashews when they had them right here. What the hell? Oh my gosh. I got ripped off. How much is this one?
This one half kilo, 300.
Guys, we're gonna close off the night with a swim. We gotta go because it closes in about, oh, this is still Oz time. So it closes in about 50 minutes. So we gotta get going. This is Aussie's hat. How nice is it?
$6.85 to the
$20, including the embroidery. So we're gonna quickly go downstairs, get a dip in, maybe sauna it up. Who knows, but they close at 8, so